And now the most funky part of this sequence. But before, we just build a bit more of a strength on the core and the arms. So let's sit on the belt. You can sit kneeling or you can cross your legs, up to you. Elbows align with your shoulders, the hands are aligned with your elbows, the arms are ready to lift us up. Don't worry if you keep touching the floor, you can always help yourself with your feet. Inhale, exhale, lift yourself up. Down. 4 more times. Okay, I think that was 4. Let's do a last one and we hold for 1 breath up there. It's okay if you're still touching the floor with your feet. Inhale, exhale, come up. You can be here, it's fine. And hold 1 more breath here. And down. Good. Shake it a little bit. Coming in front, we go with some core. Bringing the belt below the sacrum. Ready for a backward entry, but we are not going to go back. Go on the belt, keep your legs together, knees at the level of your hips, hands almost at the level of your shoulders. The chest is higher than your knees. Inhale, and when you exhale, bring the knees up. And up. 2 more times. And 1 more, we stay there like in a ball. We close a little bit the chest towards the knees. And relax. Good. So let's go finally for the sequence. Same as now, place the belt below the sacrum. Enter on the belt, but this time your hands goes higher, so we have space to pass the legs. So the hands are almost at the level of the forehead. Inhale, keeping your arms strong. Extend your legs and start to roll back. Keep your legs extended. Keep your legs close to your chest. Keep going. And here we are. Stepping back. With 1 foot, the other one forward. Start to slide down your hands. At the same time, you go deeper on your split. And release both hands. Tuck the back foot and kick up with the other one. Open a bit the hip if you feel it. And come back to the front of the belt to go with the other leg. And I show you a little variation for this one. We go on the belt, hands higher at the forehead level pretty much. Extend the legs, roll back. And this time, open your legs. So one is going to go forward and the other one back. So you are ready on the split. Slide down your hands and find your split. Release your hands down, tuck the back toes and kick the sky with the other leg. Open the hips maybe. And walk. Just with the legs, the feet behind, under the hips. Grab your elbows and relax a little bit. And you can unroll yourself up.